Well, now to an emotional bond hearing today for former American Idol contestant Caleb Kennedy. 17-year-old Kennedy is charged with felony DUI in a deadly crash earlier this month in Spartanburg County. He is accused of running over Larry Dwayne Paris in his driveway. Our Rashad Williams is joining us live in the studio with a look at that virtual hearing. Rashad?
Well, Gabby, you're right. The hearing was virtual, but you could feel the physical emotion and statements from the victim's daughter. Caleb Kennedy in tears at one point, and after growing tensions, the hearing came to an abrupt end.
For 2 weeks now, I've laid down at night and closed my eyes only to see and hear the same things over and over again. My daddy laying in his own shop, moaning, groaning, and hollering with a stranger.
In a heartfelt plea to the judge, the victim's daughter, Kelsey Harville, reliving February the 8th, asking for Caleb Kennedy's chance at freedom to be denied.
I hear my screams begging for him to look at me and stay awake. I hear the firefighters cutting the door to get in there to him. I hear the surgeon telling us he's not going to survive.
During the hearing, solicitor Barry Barnett saying there's no question Kennedy was under the influence of something, which he alleges played a major role in the crash, going on to say he should not be given bond.
It appears that he was at the Walmart and met with a friend there, got a hit from a vape pen. His way told law enforcement, drove down the road at 295, apparently got lost and went to this address.
You can see Kennedy coming to tears as the solicitor showed the court pictures of the victim. Now Kennedy's defense argues he's not a flight risk and has no prior record, saying there are no blood samples to prove intoxication, and requesting the charge to be reduced to reckless homicide.
He just turned 17, Judge, and there's no evidence at the scene of any alcohol or anything else, and no marijuana, nothing. Just cigarettes.
Kennedy's Prozac prescription was also mentioned, the defense saying he recently received a higher prescription dosage and he may have, quote, had a bad batch and randomly wrecked. The judge ultimately ordering to continue the hearing until Kennedy's blood tests are completed by SLED.
It's unfair to this kid to be sitting in jail for months on a backlog with SLED, and the fact that a magistrate down in the jail didn't do his job anyway and set a bond. I'm just sorry, Judge. I'm standing up saying a bond should be set today. It's ridiculous. Just because they don't have their act together should not penalize us.
Whoa, wait. This hearing is over. I've made my ruling.
Now, the defense did ask for a bond of $20,000 and house arrest for Caleb Kennedy, but as you can see there at the end, the next steps will depend on the blood results. For now, I'm live in the studio, Rashad Williams, WYFF News 4.